In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player Minecraft Dungeons PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Minecraft Dungeons on all platforms features two-player gameplay. What this means is that you will be able to share the same screen and play together with a friend. All that you have to do is plug in additional controllers to your platform. So in this specific video, I'm gonna be talking about the PlayStation 4, so you will need additional DualShock 4 controllers. When you start Minecraft Dungeons, before you go into an online or offline match, you will be able to look at the bottom left when you are still choosing your character before starting, and you can switch between an online or offline match. Make sure that you select offline match, and now if you look at the top right corner of the screen, it is going to tell you that you can connect an additional controller to play local multiplayer. So all that you have to do now is plug in an additional DualShock 4 controller to your PlayStation 4. You can do this with a cable or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. Just ensure that the controller is properly connected. Now you might get prompted to assign a user account to that controller. So if you want to, you can assign a PlayStation Network profile, or alternatively just use it as a guest. Make sure that you choose either a PlayStation Network account or a guest. And once this is done, you will be able to go back inside of the game, and now you can press down on the left joystick for player 2 to join. So player 2 just has to press down on the left joystick. As soon as they do this, they will join the lobby, and now you can start the game. You will be able to play through the entirety of Minecraft Dungeons with a friend. Each of you will be able to customize your own avatar, and you can share the same screen to play together. It is implemented in all platforms, and each of you will have your own inventory, your own resources, health, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Minecraft Dungeons PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.